Turn that way a little bit. There you go. There you go. Oh, now she's a pro. Now she's a pro. Look at you. Who's a superstar?
You know how to get it by yourself?
Crazy Gracie. Crazy Gracie. What do you want to do? Well, keep skiing. You can keep skiing. I will. You ready?
You're gonna be on this side. You're gonna be on this side. It's gonna be
a race?
No.
Because you'll win. Super Grace! Oh, it's a race.
No, it's not. No,
Step on your ski. Step on your ski.
Let's take our foot out. Next time we'll take both feet out and go all the way over there.
No, we went down and had some chicken strips, and I almost had her talked into getting in the hot tub, and then she's like, "No, I want to ski somewhere."
Go, Rockstar! Good job, good job. Pizza wedge. Pizza wedge. Good job. Good job. Are you turning too? Chances are she's already tired. I guarantee you that teacher's not making enough for what she's doing. Yeah, come here. Straighten them out. There you go. There you go. No, you're good. There you go. Now turn the corner. Go ahead. I'll go rope. You're gonna slide once you get on that, okay? There you go. She's never been on it. There you go. Shit, I've never been on it. I had the same problem. Ooh, you did better than I did. If it starts to fall, just squat down, but just go straight ahead. Perfect. Good job. Okay, you ready? Okay, you go. Keep going, go straight. There you go. Fixing to get to the hard part. I hope we don't fall.
And land on our face.
fixing to go. Straighten out. There you go. There you go. Good job. You're going all by yourself. You are. I don't even think I have to hook up to you next time. You can go as much as you want. You want me to unhook you? Okay, hold on right here. Hold on. I'll unhook you and then you can go by yourself and I can frame it.
Step on your ski. Step on your ski.
Let's take our foot out. Act like we'll take both feet out and go all the way over there.
No, we went down and had some chicken strips, and I almost had her talked into getting in the hot tub, and then she's like, "No, I want to ski somewhere."
Right.
Now you remember how to get back on, right? Okay. I think you can do it all by yourself. And then you can play here all day. Alright, you remember? Remember, if you fall, just roll over. Or just sit down and you can keep going. That's okay. Hold on, he's going to help you. Good job. Good job. Straighten your skis. There you go. Perfect. Okay. Okay. There you go. You're going now. You're going faster than I was. I aim that way, Grace, so we can get back on the belt. I know, you can do it all by yourself. Go over there towards the Blue Jackets. First solo run. Good job. You're going now. Kick 'em. Turn this way, Grace. Turn this way. Turn this way. Turn that way. There you go. Oh, sorry, bud. Oh, sorry, sweetheart. Go to the right. There you go. Keep going. Look that way, you're going to fall. All right, you going to go again? Okay. You're moving now. You're going all the way. We'll go all the way down to Melinda. Straighten them out. There you go. Keep kicking. You want to go down there? Okay, we'll go back over to your lift.